Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to create desktop shortcut for store app in Windows 11. So how to do this? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all in the search box type a run and open a run. After doing this type a shell dots apps folder. After that, press OK button. After doing this step, select any app. Right click, click on create shortcut. Click on yes. Now you can see that. Select anyone. Right click, click on a create shortcut. Click on yes. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.